find the value of this. So we now rearrange this one so that the leading coefficient will be 1. So we divide all through by 2. If you divide all through by 2, what you have here will be x squared minus 7x over 2 minus 3 over 2 equals to 0. So we now equate this with the main equation. The main equation is x squared minus x into x alpha plus beta plus alpha beta be equals to this one. So x squared minus 7x over 2 minus 3 over 2. So when I compare the equation of x, the equation of x will be alpha beta and here. So minus and minus will cancel out. So alpha plus beta will be equals to 7 over 2. If you do the same thing again with alpha beta here, the constant is alpha beta, and it will be minus 3 over 2. For the question, we are now instructed to find the value of this. So observe, we can pick out something from here. Remember, it is alpha beta squared plus alpha squared beta. We can factorize, there's alpha and beta here, so alpha beta are common, so we now factor them out. So you have alpha beta outside. If you do it now, what will remain here will be beta plus here will be alpha, and will be equals to alpha beta into, so we now rearrange. So instead of beta alpha, we now start with alpha plus beta. It still means the same thing, and it equals to, from our finding here, what is alpha beta? Negative 3 over 2 multiplied by alpha plus beta is 7 over 2. Is 7 over 2, which should be equals to, this time is this, minus 21 divided by 4. That is the final answer. So the value of alpha beta square plus alpha square beta is minus 21 over 4. Let's meet in my next video. Bye.